Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Cievie 4K dash cam, front and rear possible, with a micro SD card included, with a 1.5-inch IPS display. This is a car camera system which operates in the 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. So you can make an app control. We have night vision, you have 24-hour parking mode, G sensor, WDR, 170 degrees wide angle, and a 4K camera system plus a 1080p HD dual dash camera for cars. This is the Cievie D100 Pro. This dashcam provides a 4K Ultra HD front and a 1080p FHD rear views, with a wide of 170 degrees and a 150 degrees lenses. These blind spots are eliminated. The front camera captures up to 4 highway lanes, while the rear keeps an eye on the tailgaters and parking disputes, designed to overfill all the coverage without compromises. The included micro SD card stores hours of driving footage. New recordings automatically overwrite the old files, while emergency clips remain safely locked and stored. And it's expandable to 256 GB for long trips or rideshare drivers needed more storage. And in case of an accident, the built-in G sensor automatically locks the footage. It's protecting it from the accident overwriting. Pair with a hardware kit, which is sold separately, it can go up to 24/7 parking mode, a must-have feature for any car camera monitoring our vehicle around the clock. And we transfer the footage using a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi network, which is 4 times faster than the standard 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. With a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, we stream real-time footage to our phone instantly, whenever we are parking or driving. Easily share the full HD videos with the ensure of watch live footage from the dashcam app, and for that are no cables required. And with the GPS chip built in, you can see how fast you are navigating, how fast you are driving, and you can see on the map where you've driven before or you are driving so far. And we have a secure critical footage instantly with a finger press. We capture essential evidence before adrenaline fades with a 290 degrees adjustable front camera and 360 degrees rotable career camera. This dash cam front and rear adapts to any vehicle setup effortlessly. And we drive conveniently in the low lights with an aperture of 2 and a 6-layer optical lenses. This is Cievie dashcam captures our license plates and pedestrians even in the dark. Advanced WDR technology balances the harsh light and shadows from oncoming high beams to direct sunlight. It delivers a true to live footage wherever on the unlit road or through the glorious city streets. And the 1.5-inch IPS display provides a clear, easy-to-read status and function information. This minimizing operation errors. We set up our dash cam for cars quickly and we start recording right away. You can easily pair it because it's so simple. You can make an USB-C power supply to the camera system. Then, of course, you can use the app to make a direct Wi-Fi network connection. And then use the app to make settings, rotate, storage, settings, and maintenance. Easy by using an app control. And then, of course, you can install it into your car. You can get this on the front side with the big camera system, And on the rear side, you get the second camera system installed. Only get this in position on the screen. Get this in position on the glass surfaces. And then you can look forward and you can look at the same time what's going on the rear side in real time. By using this dash cam here, that's possible. Easy operation because it's a right connection from the back to the front. And you will need a secret lightning socket in your car to get in power supply. Or you make the wide connection with an always plus area. This is the Cievie 4K dash cam. It's a front and rear setup, the D100 Pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.
Start recording.